United Democratic Party or UDP Working President Paul Lyngdoh said that he will lead from the front if any attempt is made to trample the rights of the Khasi Jaintia people. He made the statement in the context of Assam Police Special Branch secret letter inquiring about the number of churches and the rate of conversions to Christianity in Assam, stating that the president generation will not allow any other forms of coercion. He said that he will lead from the front to ensure that nobody tramples upon the rights of the people.
In fact, our rulers, the traditional chieftains, were coerced into acceding to India. Now, after that coercion, this generation will not allow any other form of coercion. And I will lead from the front to make sure that we do not succumb to any pressure. With that same spirit, we will put up resistance of any form to make sure that nobody tramples upon our rights.